The beggar who became a millionaire. In the bustling city of Marktown, a beggar named Sam sat on the same corner every day, hoping for a few coins from the passers-by. Sam's clothes were tattered, his hair unkempt, and his face etched with the lines of hardship. Yet, behind his weary eyes lay a mind sharp with curiosity and dreams unfulfilled. Sam had once been a scholar, studying engineering at a prestigious university. A tragic accident had claimed his family and his will to continue. Homeless and destitute, he drifted through life, his potential buried beneath layers of grief and misfortune. Despite his dire circumstances, Sam never lost his love for learning. Every discarded newspaper or old book was a treasure trove of knowledge to him. One chilly autumn day, a wealthy businessman named Mr. Thornton noticed Sam while waiting for a traffic light. Intrigued by the beggar's intense focus on a tattered physics book, he approached Sam and struck up a conversation. Sam's articulate speech and deep understanding of complex topics fascinated Mr. Thornton. He saw not just a beggar, but a man with a brilliant mind, beaten down by fate. Moved by Sam's story and potential, Mr. Thornton offered him a chance. He proposed a small job at his company, Thornton Industries, to see what Sam could do with a bit of support. Sam accepted, grateful and eager to prove himself. The job was simple, sorting through old documents. But Sam approached it with meticulous care, often offering insights and solutions to problems he discovered in the old files. Mr. Thornton, impressed by Sam's work ethic and intelligence, decided to invest more in him. He provided Sam with new clothes, a modest apartment, and, most importantly, access to the company's library and resources. Sam spent his days working diligently, and his nights immersed in books and online courses, catching up on lost years of education. Over time, Sam's contributions became indispensable. He developed innovative solutions to streamline the company's manufacturing processes, saving Thornton Industries millions of dollars. His unique perspective, shaped by years of hardship, and his undying love for learning brought fresh ideas that no one else had considered. As Sam's value to the company grew, so did his responsibilities and compensation. Mr. Thornton, recognizing his protege's brilliance, appointed him as the head of the Research and Development Department. Under Sam's leadership, Thornton Industries flourished, pioneering new technologies and expanding into international markets. Sam's life transformed rapidly. He went from a beggar on the streets to a respected and wealthy executive. Despite his newfound wealth, he remained humble and empathetic, never forgetting the struggles he had endured. He set up programs within the company to provide education and job opportunities for the homeless and underprivileged, ensuring others received the same second chance that he had. Years passed, and Sam became a renowned figure in the business world. His story of transformation inspired many, a living testament to the power of kindness and the potential within every individual. He used his wealth not only to live comfortably, but also to support countless charitable causes, focusing on education and poverty alleviation. One evening, as he looked out from the balcony of his luxurious penthouse, Sam reflected on his journey. From the cold, hard streets to the height of success, it had been a path paved with pain, perseverance, and unexpected kindness. He knew that while he had worked hard, it was the compassion of one man, Mr. Thornton, that had set him on this path. With a contented sigh, Sam turned back to his work, a new project aimed at creating affordable housing for the homeless. For him, success was not just measured by the wealth he had amassed, but by the positive impact he could make in the lives of others. And in that mission, he found his true calling and greatest joy. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe.